Hey guys, it's Bree. I have been so excited to make this video since I started my curly hair journey, and the reason being is because beginning the curly girl method is incredibly overwhelming, to say the least. There's YouTubers, bloggers, Facebook groups, possibly even curly friends and family who have ideas or suggestions for you, and you're kind of thrown into this whirlwind of information about endless products, application methods, all sorts of things, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. I know if you're anything like me, you want to jump right in and do as much as you can right away. You might also be on the other end of the spectrum where you want to keep it simple, but the amount of information around you is making it hard. If I was a wise person, then I would probably say that the hardest part about doing anything is starting. I really can't wink. It's like one of my flaws. I have been there, I've started it, I've made the mistakes, and I am here to tell you what I wish someone had told me before I did my very first curly girl method wash day. So if you'd like to find out what that is, please keep on watching. So I took some footage of my first wash day. If any of you are about to jump in or have already done your first wash day, you will definitely relate to this. Let's go get this. Whatever this is gonna be started. So for my first day of the curly girl method starter shower kit, that got really intense. Starter shower kit. Anyways, got some DevaCurl No Poo and one condition and some wide tooth combs. This is what you can expect your very first time plopping. I pretty much gave myself devil horns somehow. I feel like I look like Maleficent. My daughter woke up from her nap while I'm plopping. What do you have there? So this is what it looks like right after for my hair. Obviously you can see my hair wants to curl. It just has no idea what it's doing. It's like you put straightening treatment in it and now you want us to clump? What is clumping? The detangling process that I did also I think needs a little help, because as you can see kind of right about here, it gets pretty tangly up top. We're just gonna go with this and see what happens. You see what happens. Hair is still drying, so I decided to take baby and dog on a walk. What do you think of my curly hair, Lux? Not a great sign. So the first wash day of your curly girl journey is incredibly important. I started by getting that book by Lorraine Massey, and she was incredibly informative but also not overwhelming. So if any of you guys are kind of looking for a good beginning spot, that is where you need to start. I will link the book down below. You can get it on Amazon. I purchased it on Amazon. Most of the shampoos that we are currently using have sulfates in them. And the reason being is because most of the conditioners that we use have silicones in them. Silicones are basically something that coat your hair with like this plasticky stuff that makes it look shiny, but it's really not. And then sulfates are the only things that can remove them because they're not water soluble. You're gonna need to use that sulfate shampoo one last time to get all of those silicones that are currently on your hair from your previous wash day out. After you use your current shampoo, use your curly girl method approved conditioner. Now here's where it gets tricky. What I learned on my first wash day is that hair is like anything else that you might learn in life. Like guitar. I play guitar, but if you didn't play guitar, trying to jump into guitar by playing a song right away without learning how to hold it or how to strum first would definitely be a lot harder. Hair is no different. You need to know the basics. So how do we learn the basics of our hair? Bum, we don't style it. Everyone's looking at me like, eh. And I don't mean no scrunching, like no detangling. I mean no styling products. And this is because your hair is so unique and it's gonna change so much from that very first wash day. But this first wash day is really gonna tell you kind of where you're starting. If you let your hair just dry naturally without any products, you're gonna see, okay, I'm a wavy, or okay, I'm a curly, or okay, I'm a coily. Honestly, this is gonna save so much heartache. I jumped in with some super cream on my 2A waves, and that really just kind of slowed down my progress, and I realized that on my next wash day I had to redo the whole thing and just kind of let my hair dry naturally so I could see where to go from here. And I will be making a video all about that and kind of step 2, if you want to call it, of starting the curly girl method next time. If you are interested in that, please subscribe. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments down below. I'd really love to connect with some other people who have just started their journeys. I'm a little bit in now, but I was very confused when I did my first wash day, so if any of you guys can relate, let's help each other out in the comments down below. And I will see you guys on my part 2 of starting the curly hair journey next time. Bye!